Anarchy. Anarchy. A state of disorder due to absence or non-recognition of authority. Absence of government and absolute freedom of the individual regarded as political ideal. Example: one of the responsibilities of the police is to preserve order so that anarchy will not come into play.
Constitution. Constitution. The act of forming or establishing something. The right to speak freely is written into the Constitution of United States.
Democracy. 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 The orientation of those who favor government by the people. Example: there is an increasing feeling of democracy in the country.
Dictatorship. Dictatorship. Government or a social situation where one person makes all the rules and decisions without input from anyone else. Example: the country suffered for many years under his dictatorship.
Impeachment, spelled as IMPACHMENT. Impeachment. This means the action of calling into question the integrity or validity of something. Example: the prosecutor's detailed impeachment of the character witness.
Kleptocracy. Kleptocracy. Kleptocracy is a government whose corrupt leaders use political power to appropriate the wealth of their nation. Example: the antidote to kleptocracy is the age-old story of democratic struggle.
Technocracy. Technocracy. The government or control of society or industry by an elite of technical experts. Example: in many science fiction novels, the world is ruled by a technocracy where scientists and technology reign supreme. Technocracy.
Tyranny. Tyranny. Meaning, a nation under cruel and oppressive government. Example: according to the president, the country will be free of tyranny once the unjust government is removed from the power.